Hey, this is Ian over at Brickworks Property Restoration. I'm the sales manager for the company, and today I wanted to talk to you guys about the proven process that we have at Brickworks Property Restoration. It starts out with the contact. Contact is where you reach out to us and our office will answer the phone, scheduling an appointment for you. We try to do them within 2 weeks of the phone call. Upon making the appointment, you will have a salesman like myself or one of the sales rep come out. This is where the sales rep will come out and look at whatever specific thing that you need done, retaining to your masonry, waterproofing, the likes, evaluate it, come up with a solution, then leads to the education portion where we sit down with you at your table and discuss the project itself. We'll go over exactly what needs to be done, the reasons why we're going to do it that way, and the best solution that we see fit so we can guarantee the work for you. If upon that point you feel comfortable and we can make a signed contract, that leads us to the deliver portion of our proven process, which at Brickworks is our favorite. That's where we get to put men on the ground. We get to get into your project. This is where our guys get to really show their talents. This is where we get to perform the task at hand. We know a lot of people, if not everybody, has had a bad experience with a contractor, so we created the proven process. This is to protect you, the customer. We'd love to show you how this process works firsthand. So if you have any masonry needs, any chimneys, porches, foundation, waterproofing, anything of that likes, give us a call, 586-868-3234.